Hi, this video is regarding St. Xavier's Mumbai courses called BCom Management Studies and BAMCJ. Basically, it was called BMS and BMM. We change the name, we'll see why. So we do run courses for the entrance exam, for the BBA course, for the IPMAT course. If you're interested, you can contact us. So Xavier's BCom Management Studies, so formerly called BMS, the name changed as they wanted to conduct their own entrance exam because now the Maharashtra CET is conducted their own entrance exam for BMS and BMM. So if you have a name BMS, you have to go to Maharashtra CET. So they changed the name to BCom Management Studies. It's one of the best BBA BMS course, basically management course in India country. You can take a minor of IT or finance or media because they have a good media, they have good IT course and finance course. You can major in management and minor in one of these three. They have total 120 seats with 50% reservation for Catholics, so Christians. So I mean 60 seats, 60 seats. So 60 general, 60. So the admission normally is based on an entrance test and also your 12th standard marks. So mixture of the two. So if you look at the entrance test marks plus the 12th standard marks, they give weightage for it, and based on that they come up with the merit list. Same way was Xavier's BAMCJ, similar, I mean called BMM, but because they wanted to have a separate entrance test and not go to the Maharashtra CET, therefore they had. Also, the Xavier Institute of Communication is supposed to be one of the best. They have a 1 year course on communication and journalism, mass communication journalism. It's supposed to be a very, very good course. So in that case, this is also one of the well-known courses if you're interested in this particular field of mass media or mass communication journalism. Entrance exam similar, you have an entrance exam, plus you look at 12th standard, combination of that is what you get selected for. The entrance exam is expected to be in June. Notification should be out in April or May. Exam is of 2 hours, no negative mark. There are 4 sections technically. General awareness, your mathematics, which is there, your English and your logic. So technically 100% weightage. Basically maths, logic, English and GK, 4 areas which they will be covering as far as the exam is concerned. Right? Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will give you information regarding the different management courses, colleges available, and maybe how to take admission those. Okay, if you are interested, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.